If you want to restore deleted text message or a conversation on Samsung Galaxy S25, the only way to do so is by using the Samsung Messages app, because Google Messages removes those messages and conversations permanently and immediately. Therefore, if you have Samsung Messages, what you can do is tap on these three dots on the right side, and then you can find Trash, where you can find your deleted messages. And in order to restore them, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the message, or actually we can press Edit in the top right corner. Then we can select messages that we want to restore, and then we have the restore button over here. And if you want to restore a whole conversation, you do the same thing, just press and hold your finger on the conversation, and then we have restore. And like I said, if you try to do this on the Google Messages app, then in that case, if you try to remove it, first we need to set it to default. But in general, if you try to remove a conversation or a message, you will see this information that this is permanent and cannot be undone. So if you want to be able to restore further or future messages that you remove, just switch to Samsung Messages app, which can be found in the Galaxy store over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.